Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anton Maroon, and if you haven't noticed, I am in a new van. So the last time we left off, I made a video in my room with the thumbnail saying that I am vanless, which is true because I sold my last van about a month ago, and I was really in a tough spot, not really knowing where to look for a new van. The van market is so crazy, everything is so expensive. The used prices of vans are almost as much as the new vans, so I had to make a really tough decision. I was trying to find a good deal on a used van, but they were just nowhere to be found. I was looking and looking and looking, and then this van popped up at one of my dad's friends' car businesses, and they said that they had one. They put me on a list, so I went over there and I got it. So this van is literally brand new with 73 miles on it. Not 73,000, 73 miles. Basically, this is my second van build, and that means I really gotta level up my game because my old van had 123,000 miles on it, and it was a 1994. This van is a 2021 with 73 miles on it. Big difference, guys. Big difference. But it's fine. It'll all work out. It's fine. I'm not scared. At least that's what I'm telling myself. So, a little bit of pressure, but nothing I can't handle. Yeah, let me show you guys the outside. So this is a 2021 Ram ProMaster 3500 extended wheelbase. It's about 6'2" tall and about 13 feet and 2 inches length of build space, which is a lot bigger than my old 1994 Ford Econoline that had about 9 feet of build space, and I could not even stand in it. Whew! Major upgrade. I'm so excited. This is gonna be awesome. So I ended up financing the van because it was brand new and Papa don't got money like that. So yeah, a lot of people will usually buy their vans cash, but I'm financing my van, which is another good option if you guys have good credit. Make sure your credit's good, pay off your bills on time, and yeah, you'll be able to borrow money and get in a lot of debt like me. Not advice. So if you are looking for a van right now in this market, be patient, relinquish all control because you don't have any control in this market, guys. The vans are selling so dang fast. They're just inflated prices. It might make more sense to buy a new one versus a used one. I mean, they were literally almost the same price. It was a nightmare trying to look for one, but I just kept looking, and just be patient with the process and just know if you keep trying, if you keep your eyes set on the one you want, then maybe you'll be able to get that van that you want, even if it takes a little while longer. My first van I got, I was a little bit impatient and just pulled the trigger on the first van I saw. That's one big lesson I learned, is that just set your sights on the van that you want and don't settle for anything else that you don't want. Even if something comes up, you're gonna want to budge on what you want just to get that van and start working, but it's so worth it to just wait and be patient. Pretty soon you guys are going to be joining along on the journey for me to build this van out. I really want to do my best to actually showcase a lot of the build and what I'm doing, just take you guys along for the journey. And I just want to encourage that, like, if you guys see my videos and you guys think it would be cool for me to do a certain topic, please comment and tell me. I really want to make it like just like a real like relationship based community. So if you like want to just like say something to me, you know, message me on Instagram or comment on my YouTube and we can have conversation. I respond to every comment in the best of my ability. So please, I encourage you, let's build a community around everything vans and mobile living and alternative lifestyle and adventure seeking. Let's do it. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video. My leg is cramping. Oof, I should drink some more water. Let's get to building. I'm so excited. Can't wait to see you guys there. Let's go.